Opening and using formulas in the workbook. Opening a workbook. We can open any existing workbook in it. There are certain steps which we need to follow to open a workbook. Click on the File menu or Standard toolbar. Choose the option Open from File menu or Standard toolbar. Select the name by clicking on it. The file will be open. Using formulas and functions. There is a difference between the formulas and functions. Formula is an expression that calculates the value of a cell. For example, equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 is a formula that adds up the values in cells A1 to A4. Function is a predefined formula which is already available in Excel. Entering formulas in Excel. A formula in Excel always starts with equal to symbol. Otherwise, it will be taken as a text entry. A formula in Excel helps in performing calculations. Formulas are mathematical calculations. It helps to establish a relationship between two or more cells. A formula contains the cell address of the cells that are used in the formulas, operators and functions. A formula automatically calculates the results if there is any change in the values.